Pinterest affiliate marketing. Many people from Instagram and YouTube claims that you can earn lakhs of monies just by making some pins, adding links of products from Amazon, and you will start earning commissions. Easy, right? But no one tells how links work on Pinterest. Can we do it without any website? Can we get banned if we use direct linking? And most importantly, when we can start earning from it. And if you're planning to do Pinterest affiliate marketing, then the information I'm going to share is very important for you. And not many influencers and YouTubers are talking about these points because they are busy in selling easy money hack like how to earn money in your sleep. But you can trust me because I have done Pinterest affiliate marketing by myself and I also own a website. So I am going to give you a complete clarity on how things actually work without any fake hopes. So this whole system of making Pinterest business account, then making pins and adding links and start earning from it, this is not a complete process. You can make account, make pins in Canva or use AI for it, but the link process is not simple. When you directly add product link in your pin, that is known as direct linking. And does Pinterest support it? Technically, yes, but it's still risky. Because as you have already heard, Pinterest ban or shadow ban the accounts which directly place affiliate link into their pins. As it comes under scammy activities, Pinterest banned those accounts. But you may be asking, people on Pinterest are still doing it. They are still placing the Amazon link in their pin, but they are not banned yet. And I have seen it, but what they are doing is not safe at all. And you cannot depend on it for long-term income when it is so unstable. And whenever Pinterest will do an audit, these accounts may get banned. And how I know? Because I have already seen people's account getting banned or shadow banned after they had made a lot of pins and have put their all effort. You can sometime recover your account, but it's still not worth it as it takes a lot of effort to build an account and still no safety. And that is the reason why people use second platform to place their links. And to add links safely, people use website blog or any third-party apps like Linktree and others. In this way, you make a bridge between your Pinterest and links. And this is the safest method to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Now, how can you start doing it and earn from it? Because earning is still possible, but it will require strategy. First of all, you need to have a Pinterest business account and pick your niche. Don't just randomly promote any product. And as Pinterest is a search visual based platforms, niches like home decor, food and recipe, women fashion, beauty and skincare, DIY craft, wedding plannings, travel plannings, home organizations, and mindfulness and meditation. These niches work on Pinterest, so you need to pick them to do a successful affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Because I did a mistake. My niche was education, finance, and business literacy. And this particular niche does not work well on Pinterest as people just come for quick money hack. So I have spent 3 months in making high quality pins and then linking them to my website. And then I realized this was not working for me. So it is very important to pick a platform where your target audience is already searching for. Like on Pinterest, people search for inspiration and fashion-based content. And for Instagram, it is for entertainment and discovery where people discover new products. And Instagram just fit for every niches, home decor, fashion, everything except education. And for YouTube, people come for learning things. So it is very important for you to pick the platform according to your niche. Then the next step is to join the affiliate program and then making pins and placing links using your website or apps like Linktree. For beginners, website is just too much. I know this because website is just too hectic to manage. So you can use other apps. And it's just my personal recommendation that if you need to do affiliate marketing, you should pick platforms like YouTube or Instagram. And if not possible, start with Instagram. Because look, if you just wait for not making content or reel and you think pins are just perfect, I will make it in on Canva and just publish it on Pinterest. But believe me, it will take same time and effort as you create a pin and as compared to as you create a reel. And on Pinterest, getting impressions and click are easy, but what is very hard is getting a sale because people go on it just for inspiration. And I'm not saying this to demotivate you. I just want to save your time, effort, and energy because I know how Pinterest works. And you can earn from it for sure, but you can earn double if you create video form content. And it totally depends if you want to do with face or faceless. And most importantly, whatever platform you pick, this one thing will decide your success. You need to stay consistent for 3 to 4 months, even if you don't see any results. If you're expecting that you can earn within 1 to 2 weeks, then it's not your problem because you were sold a lie. Many influencers and YouTubers have spread this misconception that you can start earning within 1 to 2 weeks just by doing bare minimum work. I bought iPhone just by doing Pinterest. I bought a house just by doing Pinterest. I made $10,000 from Pinterest. They are doing these things just to get views and attention. Plus, they are trying to sell you a course. And believe me, I have invested my time, effort, and energy in all of these things. That's why I am telling you the reality. So, it's now your responsibility to understand how things work in a correct way without getting scammed or fooled by these influencers and YouTubers. And I keep sharing these kind of honest breakdown of side hustles and business model. So if you want to be aware of them, subscribe to the channel and also like it if you learned anything from this. And if you want more clarity on affiliate marketing, you can check out these videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.